Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately, there is not one solution that works for everybody, so you need to try each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to select the Wi-Fi icon over here and click on this arrow. Right click on your Wi-Fi connection and select properties. You just need to scroll up and select a private network option over here and close it off here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the network adapter section and right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select properties. Select power management tab, uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and click on OK and just to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type edit power plan. Click on open it. Select change advanced power setting. Expand wireless adapter setting. Expand power saving mode. In here, in setting, you just need to click on this drop down and select maximum performance. If you are in laptop, then you will able to see on battery and plugged in option. You just need to set both option to maximum performance. After setting that, select apply and OK for save changes and just to close stuff here. For this step, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video, just to copy and paste it one by one. Press enter. After finishing both the commands, just to close stuff here. Fifth step, you just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, you just need to scroll down to the bottom and find WLAN auto config service. Just double click on it. Set startup type to automatic, and if service status is stopped, then you just need to start the service and then select apply and OK for save changes. After doing it, just close stuff here. Sixth step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection, click on open it. Right click on your Wi-Fi connection and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server, type 8844. Click on OK to save changes. And now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Windows 10 or Windows 11 problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.